man. Looking at all these gadgets, man. You know what I'm saying, man? You know they got a gadget on here, man. That'll it'll make your face look cute, shawty. Did y'all know that? It'll take, see that little bump right there? Alright. Oh yeah, that little bump right there, shawty. It'll take that off my face, if I was taking a picture. I don't understand why they can't do it when nobody told me. She said, put some of this stuff on the side of your face right here, baby. It'll take the wrinkles away. That shit done bump my ass up. So don't, by all means, put your wife's shit on your face. It may work after the bumps clear, but them some goddamn bumps right there. Anyway, man, I'm gonna see if this shit will fit my face. Maybe I'll get done recording this shit and it'll fit my face. Maybe ugly ass teeth I got. What you think? Thanks for watching. And don't forget to hit the thumbs up button, you know, the like button, all right? And share it as many times as you possibly can. That way these young artists can get as much exposure as possible. And once again, thanks for watching from Laugh Lab and Every Entertainment.